Boy, that beautiful sunrise sure doesn't last that long. We're over here at Chill Plant 1, checking things out. Have to periodically, it's a good idea to come up here on these cooling towers. We got check the oil level on the transmissions and just check things in general. I already wiped them off. I don't know if you can see that there. It's that nice honey-colored synthetic oil. Yeah. So everything looks good up here. We're ready for another day. Man, it was like almost 70 degrees yesterday. This morning when I come in, it's like 40. But we're gonna be firing off that chiller, I'm sure. And I want to get that those tubes punched before it gets too noisy in there. I hate coming up and down these ladders. Same problem, different day. As you'll recall on that soft start video, that one next to it, that went without a hitch. It went smooth as could be. And now this one didn't work properly. I had to bypass the soft start and do it in hand instead of the automation system doing it. So we're looking at it this morning, and I shut off the power completely. This one's bigger. This one scares me. It's bigger than I am. Look at the size of these cables. You know, I'm right on the edge of my skill level if I don't. And when you do feel uncomfortable with something, you know, get somebody to help you. And even right now, I've tested it with my meter, went through, made sure. Just because the breaker's off, just because you turn that switch off, that doesn't mean on this size of stuff something didn't weld shut, or you don't have some wild control power. A lot of times they bring in control power from another source, and you want to check all your connections. You look for discoloration, you know, just like any metal stuff. The insulation, I found I found things functioning, had all the insulation burned off and the wire was still there, black and charred, and the equipment was still working. And that can be caused from several things. A spike or loose connections. Loose connections are really a big part of high voltage electrical, and everything appears to be okay, and I don't see any signs of the smoke leaking out. A lot of times you'll see the burn marks, and this is the cooling fan for it. These drives, all drives, older style and new. Look at this one, it's got this cool squirrel cage fan, and I should probably stick something in there and make sure that it's spinning freely. Most of the time these things are so noisy you can hear them running, but yeah, you know. So I'm just giving it the initial first test. We're probably going to have to put this thing online this morning. It's already 40 degrees out, and what was it, Monday? It was snowing. So anyhow, just kind of going through my day here. just like putting a big block in.